Alright, getting ready to carb up before Tango tomorrow. Got some spaghetti and meatballs and some garlic knots and a nice Greek salad. Alright, so we're just a couple of miles in. Tom left his wallet in the car and is trying to beg his wife to see if she'll bring it to him. Yeah, so we're here at the flotilla waiting on the ferry. And might be a while. Charlie!
Out here a lot, but I don't know what parts we're doing. Are we doing that single track?
We're doing the single track that goes along the river, I think.
We have some lights. I don't know where they track somewhere in here. So
You think
Getting juiced up for ride into Aucilla. Nice.
Watch here, there's a knee buster right there. Ankle buster, whatever you want to call it.
before the hearth.
Awesome. Whitewater Rapids in Florida. Just got done with the Aucilla section. A couple of water crossings. And super cool spot here. About 40 miles in.
Don't take too many pictures of us on a hike about us, or it's going to look like we walked most of the time.
Little stop here at JR's. Got some pulled pork sandwiches and ribs, and heading to St. Mark's. Little change of scenery here as we come across St. Mark's. What do you think, Charlie? What do you think, man?
Oh.
Charlie! Vince!
Sandwiches.
Where's we just turned on to Aucilla Beach Road. Everybody's feeling lively.
Lively. Yeah.
We're connecting through on the Florida Trail to the Spring Creek Highway. All right.
Click wood. I'll scavenge the
All
wood.
right, we're rolling out. Sunday morning. Here we go.
Get my leg up there.
All right, we just popped out, getting ready to head into Sopchoppy and fuel up. All right, here we are coming into Sopchoppy.
Don't delete it.
All right, icing the knee down before we go into the Sopchoppy zone of death. I seem to be the weakest link right now. Getting ready to turn off into the Sopchoppy section. What's that?
Those beds kick in, you feel like you look like you got a second one.
Oh yeah, for sure. I think I got the swelling down in between the compression to keep it from swelling up, and the Advil. Definitely, my legs are feeling much better right now. I'm sure it'll come back. It ain't over.
Like I say, that's bad about all snakes.
Lots of sand, sandy sand.
Are they getting you, were they? Yeah. Horseflies or something?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes,
All right, survived the Sopchoppy run. Now will you survive the bugs?
Get a shot of this bug. Get a shot of this mosquito. Yeah, close up. Smashed in my forehead.
You survived the sand, but will you survive the bugs?
Yeah, the bugs are.
Just stand here a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, we're just hit some sand. We're about to get through to Spring Hill Road, and hopefully everybody's getting ready for the forest loop.
Sounds like we're ready.
Did you get that?
Eating, depleting,
Accounted for.
getting ready. We'll make it happen. Gotta outrun Bigfoot. Down in the forest loop. It's good to be back on some good, proper single track. Trying to get through here before dark.
Feel that energy coming from those lines? No. You can hear it. You stay in your line now, Phil.
There's the sunset through the trees.
We have further than I thought.
Yeah.
Just creeping along here at dusk. 1 miles to go. See vents off there. Behind me. Yeah, just kind of working my way through it. It's beautiful. Should be cold.
Hey!
So we're just popping out onto Rivers Road. Done with the Munson sections. Or excuse me, done with the forest loop sections. And then we're heading over to Munson. All right, last stop before the last push through Munson and pedal home. Woo. All right, it's almost 11. We're finishing up Munson. We just got out of twilight, and really shooting to be done by midnight. Everybody's working hard on it. Beautiful night. It's a full moon, but the cloud didn't work. All right, guys, we're on the end of this portion.
Final leg of the single track.
Well,
Have a pretty flat.
Yeah, through town it's nursing.
He's lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's still there.
Right up.
we're making our way over to Coles. Castle. All right, dropping into Coles. Everybody's lined up. Last leg of the journey. All right, last bit of single track coming up Fern.
Oh boy.
It's 12:40 in the morning. Celebration right here. Tango! Wolf pack.
Man.
Tango 22. Wolfpack 2020 Tango! Woo-wee!
Yeah.
We stopping here, guys?
Woo-wee!
I'll wait here 20 minutes, man.